Next time we're gonna harvest our eggplant soon. Good job.
2, 3, 4, 5. It's the baby one. Wait, this, Mama?
The eggplant.
The eggplant.
To pick it up. Oh, that works. Thank you. Oh, come here. Pick up the bowl. Here, there's more beans to harvest over here. Come here.
More beans?
Yeah, just bring the bowl over here.
Not the baby beans.
Not the baby beans.
Just mama beans.
Yeah.
Can I have Coke?
Yeah. When we're done.
Then?
The
I
big
don't want
ones.
the eggplant.
Okay, now I have the eggplant. Yeah, come here. Mm-hmm.
Mama, we're already put. I can't do.
I think we're done.
I think we're done.
All right.